Despite the lack of wintry precipitation today for our central and southern counties, there are still some areas under a winter storm warning or a winter weather advisory. So Henderson, Anderson, Cherokee, Rusk, Panola counties, you guys are under that winter weather advisory, while counties to the north of that, shaded in the pink, our central and northern counties under a winter storm warning. The reason being, I do expect higher snowfall accumulations and possibly even ice accumulations in our northern counties. And this has gotten a little more interesting over the last hour or two because temperatures that have been in the 36 to 37 degree range, well, we have seen them come down about 2 or 3 degrees. Tyler's an example of that. We're down to 34. We are now down to freezing in Longview, and we just got a report out of northern Rusk County near Kilgore of some freezing on some elevated surfaces. So we're going to have to keep a close eye on that. Another number that has come down as well are those road temperatures. Now, folks, these are important. If they fall at or below freezing, if they fall to that temperature, then we see issues on the road. So we're probably seeing some issues for portions of Interstate 30, especially along those bridges and overpasses. And I know we're seeing issues in Hopkins County because we've already seen a couple of inches of snow fall that direction. As we look at live Viper radar, you can see quite a mess across the Lone Star State. It's not only us here in East Texas, it's North Central Texas, the DFW Metro. Interstate 35 is a mess right now. San Antonio, Austin, also a mess with some rain, and this is all moving in our direction. So let's go ahead and zoom in to East Texas because it's generally our central and northern counties. That's where we're starting to see that wintry mix take effect with those cooler temperatures, and with that, we will start to see it accumulate when the storm system moves through East Texas. Now, to the north of the Sabine River, that's the highest chance of seeing more of a wintry mix than more of just a rain-sleet mixture. Further to the southwest in Van Zant County, mainly rain here with temperatures ranging from 32 to 34 degrees. Smith County, we're getting a bit of a break in the heavier precipitation, but we're starting to see some evidence of a wintry mix in the eastern portions of the county, especially along Highway 64 and then near Arp, Overton, and Leverett's Chapel there in western Rusk County. So we're going to watch that trend very carefully. And as we look at Futurecast, temperatures, they may fall another degree or two before 7 o'clock. This is 8 o'clock. Temperatures right around freezing. We begin to see that rain-snow line mix to the south and to the southeast of where it currently is at 11 o'clock. By midnight, we're still seeing a mixture of precipitation to the north of Interstate 20. 4 o'clock in the morning, we could see a brief transition over to all snow before this thing begins to exit off to the east later in the day Friday, and then we do dry out and warm up Friday afternoon. It's a mixture of precipitation tonight for Tyler, Longview, and Marshall. Snow up to the north, rain to the south, but as that colder air behind the system begins to wrap around it, we should see a brief transition over to all snow for places like Tyler and Longview, while we'll see a mix in Panola and Rusk counties. Here's a look at the next 7 days. 37 degrees tomorrow for the first part of the day. It is a severe weather alert day. Mostly sunny Saturday. 50s Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday, with warmer temperatures Wednesday and Thursday. And if you live in deep East Texas, while we will see a few sleet pellets, maybe some snowflakes mixed in, don't expect accumulations for you guys, so it should mostly remain rain tonight and tomorrow morning. Regardless, we dry out Friday afternoon. Isaac, Casey.
Carson, thank you.